आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम। मैं अरविंद कनौजिया आप सभी का अपने चैनल द डेवलप माइंड में दिल से स्वागत करता हूं। मैं हिंदी में ज़्यादा बात नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादातर इंग्लिश लर्निंग से रिलेटेड वीडियो आपके लिए लाऊंगा। तो अभी तक आपने भोजपुरी, ऑफ कोर्स जो मेरे भाई बहन यूपी और बिहार साइड से हैं उनकी मातृभाषा भोजपुरी है, मेरी भी भोजपुरी है, मैं भी भोजपुरी में बात करता हूँ। और भैया काल चालो सब बढ़िया। और हिंदी में बहुत बात कर लिया, अब बारी है इंग्लिश में बात करने की। सो इन टुडेस वीडियो आई वांट टू गिव यू 3 tips for improving your English language. These 3 tips have been very important to me when I have learned foreign language. Right now I am in Mumbai and mother tongue of this state is Marathi. When I was learning Marathi, these 3 tips helped me a lot. Without these tips, I wouldn't have been able to learn as quickly, as efficiently, and wouldn't have been as happy. So let's get started. Tip number 1 is listen. Always remember, in order to learn any foreign language, you must have to listen it first. See, if you have very good listening skill, then you can become a very good English speaker. So always learn from your ears, not with your eyes. In a study, it has been shown listening is very important part in terms of learning any foreign language. Let me ask you one question. Have you ever imagined how did you learn your own native language? For example, if your mother tongue is Hindi, have you ever thought how did you learn that? If any non-Hindi speaker wants to learn Hindi, then he or she would have to go through the books, classes, and the same process what we are doing right now for English. But for us, we never studied any kind of books, joined any classes. But even then, we learned Hindi. How? Because of listening. We have been learning the same language ever since we were born. So in terms of speaking English, you need to listen a lot. हो सकता है आपको शुरू में समझ में ना आए, आप फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाओ, but trust me guys, it happens. It's absolutely normal. I had gone the same process. Listen the music, podcast, watch movies with the subtitle. Try to listen it as much as you can. So don't forget to listen. Tip number 2, relax. Don't stress. So many people stress about learning a language. I need to learn it in 3 months. Oh my God, I'm not learning it quick enough. And they feel so stressed. You need to relax and realize you are working as hard as you can. So don't worry about it. For me, an important part of relaxation is being alone. Sit in the garden and feel the air. I recommend if you feel stressed, go for a walk. Take a 10-15 minutes walk. It doesn't need to be too long. Breathe and think, I can speak English. I can do it. जब हमरे जैसन भोजपुरी या ऐसन अंग्रेजी बोल सकत है तो भैया आप सब काहे नहीं। Alright, tip number 3 is speak. Speak with native speaker or speak with the person who is very good in English. Speak with your friends, but speak. Speak to yourself every day. Stand in front of mirror and talk to yourself. For doing this, your confidence and your muscles speaking English will grow and feel more confident speaking English. So try to find other people who are also learning English. Speak with them every day. It would be more helpful. See, I'm telling you the same process what I had followed in the very beginning. भोजपुरी एकदम अच्छे से आती थी, हिंदी में थोड़ा पैदल था और इंग्लिश में एकदम पैदल. So these tips I followed and believe me, it helped me a lot. So let's recap. Tip number 1 is listen. Listen the music, podcast, watch movies with the subtitle. Try to listen it as much as you can. Get the English word in your head and try to understand as much as possible. And tip number 2 is relax. Don't stress. Tip number 3 is speak. Speak with anyone. Speak to yourself every day. I hope this video helped you. If you have any other tip for the English speaker, let me know in the comment. See you in the next video. Till then, pranam.